If you have taken a human relations or a psychology class, you have likely learned about theories of motivation. Project 11 will summarize these theories and put your skills to the test. First, however, it would be good to learn more about how motivation will affect you as you supervise employees. Each person is motivated by different things, so supervisors need to know what rewards employees value. You may be amazed by what studies have found out about possible demotivation effects of Theory X motivators that have money value. You will learn more about this in the discussion video titled Programming Your Mind for Success. To perform well, employees need two things: skill and motivation. It is the responsibility of the supervisor to identify training needs to provide skill growth, and it is the responsibility of the supervisor to encourage motivation. Basically, success or failure is in your hands. You may now proceed to discussion 11 to learn more about motivation, followed by project 11, where you will demonstrate your skill.